I matched with this absolute Karen on Tinder and said, "Hola, hermosa." She said, "Hey, how's it going?" I said, "Good. Just arrived in Colombia yesterday. How are you?" She's like, "Good. Pretty pumped for the weekend." I was like, "Nice. I'll be here for 2 months. Where are you from?" And she says she's from here. "What are you going to do here? Vacations?" I was like, "Yeah, I work remotely and travel. I just want to meet new people and work on my Spanish." "How good is your Spanish on a scale of 1 to 10? "Well, I've been in Spanish speaking countries for 3 months now and survived so far. How's your English, babe?" "My English is pretty decent, I think." "What other countries have you been?" I was like, "Yeah, I've been in Mexico, Costa Rica." "What are you looking for on here?" "I don't know. I guess just to meet new people, nothing specific. I hate dating apps, but I'm trying. What about you?" Matched her energy. I was like, "Yeah, who doesn't hate dating apps? I'm looking to meet new people and have fun. Maybe some good hookups if we get along, but no expectations." "Well, I'm not here looking for hookups specifically. No expectations at all as well." And it looks like we're on the same page. "Why don't you shoot me your WhatsApp and we can chill sometime?" And just like that, number secured. If you haven't yet, make sure you pound that like button and follow along for more videos.